Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I prefer to drink tea. No, I prefer to drink tea.
How do you get to school? How do you get to school?
I take the bus every day. I take the bus every day.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I like to meet friends and watch movies. I like to meet friends and watch movies.
Do you cook dinner yourself? Do you cook dinner yourself?
Yes, I cook almost every evening. Yes, I cook almost every evening.
Do you watch TV in the evening? Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes, but I prefer reading. Sometimes, but I prefer reading.
Do you take a shower in the morning? Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, it helps me wake up. Yes, it helps me wake up.
How often do you wash your clothes? How often do you wash your clothes?
I do laundry once a week. I do laundry once a week.
Do you make your bed every day? Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, right after I get up. Yes, right after I get up.
Do you clean your room often? Do you clean your room often?
Yes, I clean it every weekend. Yes, I clean it every weekend.
Do you take vitamins daily? Do you take vitamins daily?
Yes, I take vitamin C every morning. Yes, I take vitamin C every morning.
Do you eat fruit every day? Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat an apple or banana daily. Yes, I eat an apple or banana daily.
Do you set an alarm? Do you set an alarm?
Yes, I set it for 7 in the morning. Yes, I set it for 7 in the morning.
Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the morning. I prefer tea in the morning.
How often do you check your phone? How often do you check your phone?
I check it about once an hour. I check it about once an hour.
How do you commute to work? How do you commute to work?
I usually walk, it's not far from my home. I usually walk, it's not far from my home.
How long do you study each day? How long do you study each day?
I study for about 2 hours after school. I study for about 2 hours after school.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Are you ready for breakfast? Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry this morning. Yes, I'm very hungry this morning.
What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal with milk. I usually eat cereal with milk.
Do you brush your teeth after every meal? Do you brush your teeth after every meal?
No, just in the morning and before bed. No, just in the morning and before bed.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I find it very relaxing. Yes, I find it very relaxing.
Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read every evening before bed. Yes, I read every evening before bed.
Do you exercise often? Do you exercise often?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How do you start your morning? How do you start your morning?
I start with a glass of water and stretching. I start with a glass of water and stretching.